Welcome to the video on the Applied AI Ethics Risk and Governance Framework, which presents a systemic approach to institutionalizing accountability in AI design. The Applied AI Ethics Risk and Governance Framework, or AERGF, is a structured methodology for identifying, evaluating, and mitigating ethical risks. It integrates three critical pillars: moral reasoning, organizational governance, and accountability mechanisms. Current approaches often suffer from limitations, such as checklist fatigue, treating ethics as mere compliance, or PR exercises using guidelines as marketing collateral. Furthermore, reactive audits wait until post-deployment, making mitigation costly or impossible. The AERGF governance lifecycle involves 5 steps: identification of potential harms, mapping of stakeholders and value alignment, assignment of accountability, mitigation through design constraints, and review with continuous audit and adaptation. Forensic risk and value mapping includes risk identification, focusing on harm amplification, distributional inequity, autonomy erosion, and accountability gaps. Stakeholder mapping identifies affected populations, competing priorities, institutional incentives, and vulnerable actors. Governance assignment mandates defining ethical responsibility, which must be assigned, not assumed. AERGF requires defining individual accountability, escalation pathways, decision authority, and oversight mechanisms. Mitigation and operational controls translate principles into enforceable controls through design constraints built into the code, procedural safeguards like human-in-the-loop requirements, and monitoring protocols for real-time performance tracking. Continuous review and adaptation emphasize that ethical governance is ongoing, not a one-time event. This includes post-deployment monitoring, establishing revision triggers, institutionalizing feedback mechanisms, and ongoing ethical review boards. As Hilary Mason states, ethical failures in AI systems rarely come from malicious intent. They often arise from unexamined trade-offs and diffuse responsibility. The AERGF difference highlights how the framework overcomes common approach limitations. For example, it provides governance-embedded solutions instead of non-binding ethics guidelines, and proactive mitigation instead of reactive compliance checklists. The Holcombe Ethics Suite is an operational bridge, translating philosophy into institutional practice. AERGF leverages frameworks for moral reasoning and justice theory to diagnose ethical disagreements and evaluate distributional outcomes. AERGF provides a defensible process for managing AI risk. Thank you for watching this video on the Applied AI Ethics Risk and Governance Framework. This slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.